once was a troop o' Irish dragoons come marching down through Fivey, oh, and the captain's fall-in-law wi' a very bonny lass, and her name it is cried Pretty Peggy, oh. There's many a bonny lass in the How Often Lass, there's many a bonny lass in the Geary, oh. There's many a bonny Jean in the streets o' Aberdeen, but the floor o' them all binds in Friday, oh. So come down the stair, Pretty Peggy, my dear, come down the stair, Pretty Peggy, oh. Come down the stair, bind up your yellow hair, tak a lask fair, we'll owe your daddy, oh.
Then up cries the Colonel, mount, boys, mount. Tarry, says our captain, oh tarry, oh. Oh tarry for a while, for another day or twa, till I see if this bonny lass will marry, oh.
'Twas in the early morning when we marched awa', oh, but our captain was sorry, oh. The drums they did beat o'er the bonny braes o' Geet, the pipes played the lowlands of Fivey, oh. Now lang ere we come to old Meldrum Toon, we had our captain to carry, oh, and lang ere we come to bonny Aberdeen, we had our captain to bury, oh.
Green grow the bucks on bonny Athen side, low lie the lowlands of Fivey, oh. Our captain's name was Ned, and he died for a maid, he died for the chambermaid of Fivey, oh.
I never did intend a soldier's lady for to be, I never will marry a soldier, oh. I never did intend to gante a foreign man, and I never will marry a soldier, oh. It's braw, captain's lady for to be, braw to be a captain's lady, oh. Braw to rant and roll and follow at his word, and ride when your captain he is ready, oh.